Hey guys!
Hey.
How's everybody doing today?
We're doing a fun, this is kind of I've like planned this Scrap Buster craft because you guys, we sold, I don't know,
I'm
or
really
we
sorry,
gave
my
away,
allergies are flared up, by the way.
How many grab bags did we give away? I think it was probably around 800 grab bags that we gave away last
Are you
week.
for real?
Yeah.
Holy cow.
800. Like, it was a lot.
Margie and I think it's just a really cool idea that we're going
Yeah.
to show you guys how you can utilize some of those scraps that you've gotten in your grab bags. We know that you guys have scraps laying around your house that you could definitely do something like this. We're hoping it works.
Yes.
Margie had a little bit of trouble.
Well, we've done something like this before, but not quite as formulated and intricate as this design was. I saw this cute t-shirt design in a boutique, and I was like, ooh, we can recreate that with scrap. Okay, so we put down first our TTD mask on our sheet, and you peel the carrier sheet off your TTD mask. And this is to save you sanity, and we're going to cut it all at one time. So here's our design, and I have it centered on the mat, and I have the grid turned on. Usually I don't like the grid on, but I wanted the grid on to help me try to place the colors in the right spot so we can cut it. So hopefully it'll work out like we planned.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
So we're just going to select it all.
Group it.
And I'm just going to mirror it. I'm not going to group it. So
Okay.
we're just going to leave it ungrouped, but I'm just going to flip horizontally. That makes it go mirrored. And then we're going to hit the send button. And we're just going to make sure that everything's highlighted. So we're going to get to cut everything at once.
It's going to cut all at once.
Which is really exciting. And then heat transfer smooth. We cut ours on a blade of 2 and a force of 8. Here at my craft source on our Cameo 4. You might be on a Cricut or a different silhouette, or even the Silhouette Cameo 4. Just know that all machines cut differently. This is what works best for us. So the reason why you would want to put a TTD Easy Mask down sticky side up on your mat is because when you go to press it on, you don't have to sit there and individually place each thing and line it up just perfectly. It's going to stay put.
Yes.
And you're just going to weed it like normal, and then you're just ready to flip it over and press it on with one press, and you don't have to fight with your different strips of colors to get them lined up right.
It's really cool when it works out if everything's right.
So you guys, I just want to point out that when you are watching it go over, it's going to kind of act like it's catching because your different layers, the blade's actually going over the pieces of vinyl. So it might sound like it's catching and messing up, but it's
not.
It'll make it.
It should make it, hopefully.
It looks like it all worked out.
I think it did.
The only thing I see is this bottom piece might have cut off a little bit at the top, but we'll see what it looks like.
I think that's okay.
So it's cut, you guys, and Margie and I are weeding on the mat. Notice we are not taking this off yet. And that's because, honestly, guys, if something didn't cut right, you could probably send this back through and just go with it, and it would probably turn out okay.
Okay.
All right. If you want to save your TTD Easy Masks, just make sure that you're doing tack downs, which, guys, if y'all are not familiar with that term, that just means 3 to 5 seconds. And then peel it away, and then press for your remaining time.
I pre-pressed my shirt. I've got it centered on. You put your heat-resistant sheet over, and we have it set for 10 seconds, okay?
That's correct. And we're not going to worry about saving our carrier sheet, so we're going to go ahead and just do the full-time press. So excited about this.
It peels almost all of it off.
Almost. You guys.
It turned out really cool.
Look how effortless that was.
It really was. So the hardest part was cutting the strips to the right size.
Yeah.
And then when you place them on the mat, just have your mat up and just kind of, eyeball where you're placing them on the grids. But it was really easy.
I think this design is so trending right now, you guys. For whatever reason, this is just the trend right now.
It is. Like, when I saw it on the boutique, I was like, ooh, that's so cute. I could recreate that so easily.
I guess that's all.
I know. Thank y'all for joining us, and we hope you have a great week. Happy Women's Day. Go women.
Yes, go women.
We'll see y'all next time.
Bye.
Bye.